Okay guys, let's do a bike check. The Project Hiten V2 bike check. Piston with the Project Tiger top cup with the Project spacer and Max Zone oil slick 34mm headset. Piss wide bar with WTB hand grips. Comes with 2 fork and a piss sit post and a piss saddle with Tanky platform MTB pedals, Intro 7 Tech outboard 48T with FSC OLED chain and regular cogs 17T. It runs with stock Jaho Pixie rim set with Araya decals and Thick Slick 25C front and rear. With the Project Hiten V2 frame. That's all folks.